really is just I put together a fancy email letting people know what's coming. Typically Sundays is when I drop my products.
Okay.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So what I would say is that,
6,000 people.
okay, so what's your monthly revenue right now?
Roughly probably about 15 to maybe 20,000 on a good month.
Okay. And how much liquidity does the business have?
Liquidity, like just cash on hand?
Yes.
Maybe like 25K.
Okay. And do you have any personal cash, personal investment cash?
Not really, no.
Okay. How long have you been running the business?
It's going on almost 5 years now.
Okay. Has it been making 10 to 20K a month for those amount of times?
Well, 2020, yeah. 2020, I killed it. I was averaging like probably $30,000 to $40,000 a month.
So if you made 480, how do you only have 25,000 left?
Just because it costs a lot to run it.
Okay. Now, do you have a lot of payroll too?
Just me, one other guy, and then the building, and
Okay.
my personal stuff. Everything survives off of it. This is all I do. I don't have an actual job anymore.
Okay. So are you looking to go more online now than just keeping this income currently?
Well, 98% of it is all online already. I think my thing is I've never done any type of advertising.
Okay, so all the people who are ordering right now are going through this GoDaddy site?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay, all right. That's at least reassuring because I thought that the storefront was providing most of the revenue and then the online store wasn't really kicking. Okay, cool. So if that's the case, I mean, we could take this on. So I kind of want to talk to you about how our process works, right? So what we usually do with any store, doesn't matter what niche you're in, we always take the best-selling product and we build a landing page around it where we send all of the ad traffic to. So for example, your beard oil is probably your best seller, correct?
Yeah, the 1912s, yeah.
Okay. So if that's the case, what we would do is we would take that bottle, we would build a landing page around it, social proof, testimonials, copy, what ingredients are in it, specificity, about your story, about the company, all that stuff, right? Now, we do a different approach than just selling one bottle. We go for more of a higher average order value where we would sell multiple bottles. So we would force people to get 1 bottle, 2 bottle, 3 bottle, and most of the people buy 2, okay? Because I run a hair growth oil business. That's my own e-com store. And most of the people will buy 2 bottles for around $45 to $49. That's kind of the price people buy the hair growth oil for. A lot of people don't really buy 1 bottle because you're putting more value in the 2 and 3 bottle bundles. So now you increase your order value, you save money on shipping because people who just buy 1 bottle, you're not really making a lot of money. You need to have that higher AOV on the shipping and taxes and the processing fees. So that's what we would basically do, centralize it around that. Now, from there, I mean, that's where we run the traffic. So we run the traffic from Facebook, Instagram. With content you provide, we can also get content as well. We make graphic design. We do video editing as well, whatever content you can get to us. And then once we start accumulating cash flow, we'll say to you, hey, man, we need user-generated content. And what that means is we will go and use suppliers who can get us videos with your product. So we'll go to people who can make a video using Billo. Billo is a huge app that we use for user-generated content where you send your product to influencers and people, and they will make content, and then we use that for the video ads. And that crushes, man. Because if you have a person behind the camera who's like, oh, I use this beard oil, I have a beard, I love it, blah, 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 dude, they will die over it. If you have friends locally who have beards who can use it in a video, that's fine as well. Whatever works for you. And then
there's tons of reviewers out there that also do reviews on the product.
Perfect. Then we could take those, they're probably on YouTube, correct?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So those YouTube reviews, we would take them and chop them up into an ad format, and then we could run that already. So you don't have to worry about that then. So we would take that content, and how we target is through top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. So top of funnel is all the people who have no idea who you are. That's all cold traffic. Middle of funnel is going to be people who have visited your site but not bought, have visited your Instagram, not bought, have clicked on an ad but not bought, have went to cart but not finished. And then bottom of funnel is all the people who have entered their cart info but not bought, or people who've already purchased. So now we're trying to trickle down those 3 levels to get people who've already bought to spend more money, people who are higher intent to come back into the ecosystem and buy. And that's how we basically do the top of funnel, middle funnel, bottom of funnel. And that's based on content. So that's based on the videos, images. We obviously make that custom to where the person is in the sales funnel. And that's basically how we correlate that. So right now, with that being said, how much are you looking to spend? Not saying an unlimited amount of money, but what would be a comfortable amount for you to be spending to get this online presence rocking? So let's say we run all this ad traffic and you're able to get to 30 to 40K a month. How much would you spend extra to make that happen?
Yeah, I was thinking probably in the $2,000 to $4,000.
Okay. Yeah, that's around the right range. Yeah. So, because my service fee on a monthly basis is $2,000 a month. We have a fast action bonus right now. So you don't pay $2,000 a month. You pay $1,500 a month. And then the rest of that is all ad spend. That's all going to Facebook and Instagram for you to run the traffic. And then, on top of that, you don't just get ads ran. We do a lot more than that. So, we have, we run your Facebook and Instagram campaigns. We do your top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel targeting. We also set up your tracking. We do graphic design. We can update all the website banners. We can do the ad image graphics, all of that. We do your landing page. We also do optimization and do A/B split testing. We have in-house copywriters who write the landing pages that make them high converting and that track the data on the A/B split testing. You get 2 ad managers on your account, including myself. Your onboarding and setup is completely included in the first $1,500 when it's usually $2,500. We have a setup fee of $2,500. We waive that the first month, and you don't pay that ever. So we do the tracking, we do the analytical reporting, which is biweekly. We do your e-commerce app setup, programming, and customization. So all of apps that we use to make the site load faster, to cast more social proof. There's little things that we do on a website that we need to obviously code and integrate. That's included as well.
Are you able to use, even though I'm using GoDaddy?
Yes, we can do that. We just have to be able to build a custom landing page within GoDaddy.
Okay. So from there, it actually will kick over to the website or something?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. And so that's to get started, you were saying that's $1,500 a month, and then how much after that?
That would be, it's $1,500 a month forever, but the ad spend goes to you because it's tax deductible. So I don't take on that ad spend, you do.
Okay. So you just basically say, hey, we got this ad, it's going to go here, and it's going to cost this much.
Yeah, I mean, we usually start at $50 a day. So that's why I said, you said $2,000 to $4,000, $1,500 service fee, $1,500, a little bit more than that a month in ad spend. $50 to $75 a day. That's what you're sitting at that ad spend level. So that brings you inside of your budget.
Okay. And now if it just doesn't work,
I mean, that's not a guarantee, but based on what I've been able to do in this niche, I know that I can sell it. So we do guarantee leads or sales. There's not a number on it, but if I don't get you anything at all, then I'll give you a full refund. No problem.
Yeah. And I'd like to think I have some badass beard care, just to, like I said, I've been doing it for 5 years.
Yeah.
Feedback from my customers that also buy from other big companies. I mean, I've got over 6,000 repeat customers,
Okay.
pretty much almost every other week.
So that's the thing too. You have all these repeat customers. We can take that email list, upload it to Facebook, and find 6,000 people just like them.
Yeah.
So we can market, well, not even 6,000. A lookalike audience at the 1% level is around 1 million to 1.2 million people. So we could take those 6,000 people. They take all the data points from their buying behaviors on Facebook, what they do on Instagram, and we can find people just like them.
Yeah, see, I don't know how to do any of that stuff.
Well, that's why I'm here. That's the whole point of this.
And people are amazed that I'm able to do what I do without any advertising at all. So that's
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple 7-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30 Under 30.